Gusto mo ba ng retirement na chill, travel at walang stress? O yung retirement na laging worried sa gastos? Tandaan, income stops but expenses, they never stop. Kaya habang bata ka pa, simulan mo nang buuin ang retirement fund mo. The earlier, the better. 5 simple steps for retirement planning. Number 1, know your target. Magkano ba ang gusto mong monthly allowance pag retire mo? 100,000 a month? Then plan for that goal. Start with a clear number. Number 2, start early. Time is your biggest advantage. 1,000 a month at age 20 can grow to millions by 60 dahil sa compounding. Pag inantay mo pa ang age 40, almost 80% ng potential earnings mo, wala na. Number 3, don't just save. Invest. Iba ang nagtatabi sa nagtatanim. Ilagay yan sa mga investment funds, Pag-ibig MP2, REITs, or stocks. Depende sa risk tolerance mo. At tandaan, protect your future with insurance. Number 4, automate and increase. Pay yourself first. Gawing automatic at dagdagan habang tumataas ang income mo. Number 5, review and adjust. Life changes. Income mo, goals mo, priorities mo. Check mo palagi yung plan mo yearly and rebalance as needed. If you start early, your 20s are your biggest advantage. This is the best time to build a future where you are in control. Do you want more financial tips? Follow Ramper Financials for more.